In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Whop landing page. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Whop. Click the official website from the top results to make sure you're in the right place. Once you're on the site, log into your account so you can access your dashboard and start building. From the dashboard, head to the Products section and select Create Product. You'll be prompted to choose your product type, like software, a paid group, or a newsletter, and then a category such as AI, coaching, or events. Pick the options that most accurately represent what you're offering, as this helps with organization and discoverability. Next, add your core details. Give your product a clear, memorable name, write a headline that quickly communicates the main benefit, and craft a detailed description. Focus on outcomes, what's included, who it's for, and how it works. The more specific you are, the easier it is for visitors to understand the value. Upload media to bring your page to life. High-quality images or short videos in a 16:9 aspect ratio work best at the top of your page. Use visuals that demonstrate your product in action or showcase results to build trust and interest. Set your pricing model. You can make it free, charge a one-time fee, or offer recurring subscriptions. Enter the price, choose your currency, and, if relevant, create tiers or plans. Keep your pricing simple and transparent to reduce friction and help buyers pick the right option quickly. If you're selling a course or community access, add the appropriate apps, like courses or chat, and build your content. Organize text lessons, PDFs, and videos in a logical order. Clear module names, short lesson lengths, and consistent formatting make your experience easier to follow. Add a frequently asked questions section to address common concerns. Cover topics like what's included, how to access content, refund or cancellation policies, and how to get support. Strong FAQs reduce hesitation and support conversions. Make sure your design is clean, visually appealing, and mobile-friendly. Use strong, consistent colors, clear typography, and plenty of white space. Guide visitors to one primary call to action, such as buy or subscribe, and keep it visible above the fold and throughout the page. When you're happy, click Save. Then return to the dashboard, go to My Store, and choose Edit Store Page to customize the overall look and feel. Brand colors, banners, and layout. Finally, set up payments by navigating to Payments, then Payouts. Click Withdraw, then add New Account. Enter your account nickname, account number, and the appropriate routing or SWIFT code, plus an optional message to the receiver, and click Add. Only enter your own secure banking details. Once everything is complete, your store page is ready to go live, and you can share the link anywhere online.